Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet shoes. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs of sandals in this video for babies. These are for babies and toddler girls. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs having contrasting color schemes in this video. All of them are mostly having floral work on them and very attractive and beautiful 3D crochet flowers attached on these designs. And these designs are having different patterns. For sole, almost all of the designs are having two different patterns. The one is simple from all sides, and other one is the design having a stitch difference in last round. In the last round, in some of the designs, single crochet is made for the heel part, and for the top finger part half double crochet or double crochet stitch pattern is made. So shoe sole is larger in width on upper side and less from the lower side. So these are two basically simple patterns of making shoe sole, and these designs are having two soles which are attached together using surface stitching techniques, and then the upper step of shoe is made on it, and then flowers are attached. So you can see all of these designs are beginner friendly and attractive, and if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, just let me know in the comments as well, so that I can upload different crochet tutorials on these patterns as well. Booties tutorial of crochet babies are already available on my channel, so you can see crochet baby booties tutorial. And if you are interested in sandals, I will also upload tutorial videos of sandals on my channel so that you can learn how to make them. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designing ideas, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel to get ideas videos of crochet work and other handmade products, and also tutorial videos and pattern videos of crochet work, so you can just learn how to make different crochet projects ideas and patterns as well. And if you are interested in seeing any specific video of crochet pattern or idea video, let me know in the comments as well. I will make it for you, and you will find two different types of videos on my channel which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and related to home decoration ideas. So I hope you're gonna love them all. Give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.